Hello, friends. Welcome to Homeschool Fun. And you must be thinking, what is this in Homeschool Fun? But today we are at Jamnagar. That is a city located very near to the sea in Gujarat state of India. And you must be thinking, what's this in Homeschool Fun? Then today's video is about that we visited these lovely people. These are seagulls, which you can meet them right in the city, in the middle of the city. They come down, fly down from thousands of miles. They are the migratory birds. These seagulls fly down thousands of miles in search for food. And it's such a wonder that this place where we are is at the center of the city. It's called the Lakota Lake. Yes, these are seagulls, but they come down and stay at a lake. Yes, that's a lovely wonder. And they love to eat this food called gatia. Yes, this is a fried food made out of gram flour, but they love to eat this, which is really harmful for them, but the flocks love to relish them. See, everyone who visits Jamnagar are a fan of gatia, or they become one. They are that delicious. So even these seagulls love to fly down thousands of miles just to eat this lovely delicious food of Jamnagar. These seagulls have claws and they have very good eyesight to spot their meals. So they are fanned wherever you give gatia, they will be there. They have web feet. They swim just like ducks. And though they are seagulls, they live in salt water and eat fish, but out here they become quite a vegetarian and eat this food that's given to them by the people of the city, and they love to come near us and eat this. So it's a fun way to start your morning, to come and just visit them. They come down by October and stay till around February, when the temperature is cool. They stay here in winter. There's migratory birds and many more. You can also find a place called Khijuria, which is a national park located very near to Jamnagar city. So, talking about this, these are very intelligent birds and can communicate very well. So, you can spot them and come in close contact with them out here right in the middle of the city. So today's learning in Homeschool Fun was our visit out here to see this beautiful wonder of the God, and their voice is also so much similar like crow, and it's so beautiful to see them. Just enjoy them, the beauty of creation of God. Thousands and thousands of them roaming around you right in the middle of the city. You do not have to take an effort to go for the bird watching far away. You can spot them right here in the city. Isn't that wonderful? Total wonder that seagulls live here in sweet water. Every morning the pedestrians come and give food to them. So they are right here, very near to the road, near the lake, to come in contact with us and have their morning breakfast. strong, big birds with webbed feet, so they can fly and swim. Both can do very nicely. They are mainly fish eaters, but in Jamnagar they eat gatia. So you too visit Jamnagar if you wanna meet them.